Hey everyone, welcome back to new content of Cybrosys. In today's video, we will discuss about Add to Cart. So in Odoo's e-commerce platform, the Add to Cart functionality is a crucial feature that allows the customers to select products and add them to the virtual shopping cart. So let's see how can we manage Add to Cart in Odoo 18 website module. For that, you can just dive into the website module. From there, under the configuration settings, there are different ways in which we can just manage the adding of the item into the cart. So as you just drag down under the shop checkout process, you would be able to find the add to cart, and this shows what should be done on add to cart. Like the user can decide the dialog, or we can just add the item into the cart, or we can just stay on the product page. So let's set it as like the user decide the adding of the item to the cart. So as you just move on to the site and homepage, here you can see that the shop. So whenever the user try to add the item into the cart, here you can see you will be getting a dialog box. So let's click on add to the cart, and you can see that the dialog box is just popped, and the user can just decide whether to continue the shopping or to proceed with the checkout. Now let's choose continue with the shopping, and here you can see that one item is just added into the cart. Already we had an item in the cart and the item is just increased. Now let's move on to the configuration settings, and let's change the thing over here. That is the option, that is go to the cart. So when you just add the item to the cart, again the item will be moving to the cart directly. Okay. So again, let's move on to the sides and let's repeat this step. And under the home page here, you would be able to find the shop, and let's choose the product, which is office lamp. So let me add that, and as I just try to add, you can see that it will be directly moving to the cart over here. Okay, and we have one more options to manage with the adding of the item to the cart, that is stay on the product page. So let me save that feature over here in the configuration settings. Afterwards, you can just move on to the site and choose home page. From there, you can see that shop over here, and let's search for the product drawer. Here you would be able to find the product drawer, and let me add the item to the cart. So as I just choose the product here, you can see by staying in the product page, the item is just added into the cart. So here you can see that when a customer would visit a product page, they can see the add to cart button, and we can click the button to trigger the functionality, and that's how we just deal with the adding of the item into the cart. So by understanding the fundamental principle of the add to cart process in Odoo, you can effectively customize and enhance as other features in the Odoo. So if you want any customizations or any other things related the Odoo, you can contact Cybrosys. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching the video.